Let us see how you can set a Webhook.Site URL so any incoming error that comes from Meta can be checked instantly. Go to your channel, go to Webhooks option, click on Add Webhook. Now go to Webhook.Site and click on this edit icon here in Webhook.Site. In the status code, it should be 200. Content type should be text / HTML, and in the content you need to enter $request.query.challenge $. I have added this in the video description as well, and then click on save. This step has been added new and is required because we have added a security wherein without the challenge sent back in the response, the webhook won't get saved. Now click on Add Webhook. As soon as the webhook is confirmed, you will see that the incoming webhooks have already started. So this is how you can set the webhook URL. The important change is in the webhook.site link, you need to click on edit and add the content. This is the response content. Thank you.